Hey, welcome back to the Nerdtorium. So today, gonna do some wood milling. My friend let me use this awesome Stihl MS 880. This is a badass chainsaw. I think it's like over 100 cc's, I believe. I think it's a 48-inch bar on here. So what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to cut this one in half. I already done this one here. I've got this all warmed up. Our goal is to go for a bench. So I saw these on the internet. I thought they were pretty cool, so I decided I was trying to make them out of this locust wood that I have. Still a little bit wet. It's a hard wood, so it's pretty hard to cut, but this thing tears right through it. So let's get right to it. Let's crack it open and see how she looks. Not too bad. Still heavy as hell. I don't know how well you can see that. Let me get the camera in here closer. The grain actually looks really good. I was worried that we were going to get some rot in here. We didn't. A couple of knots, which I'm actually surprised for how thick this thing is, that there'd even be knots there.